guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'll be showing you how to make a baby sole sandal. I'll be showing you some couple of sandals. I use the same pattern for the soles. For these sandals, I use the same pattern of sole for the sandals. So as time goes on, I'll be dropping the tutorial for these sandals one after the other. So I'll be using the same sole for all the sandals. And this is the first one. I should be dropping this first. How to make this sandal. So the pattern for this sole that I'm dropping today, that's what I use for the sandal. Same as this beauty, I use the same pattern for the sole. Same as this sandal as well. Beautiful, right? Yeah, I know. So I'll be dropping the tutorial also. So stay by, stick to the channel. And so as this beautiful foot candy. Look at that. I use the same pattern as well. So I'll be dropping the tutorials as time goes on. So let's get started to the sole. The pattern will be used, the material will be using rather. We're using this yarn. It's called Yeye. It's a pretty thin yarn. Yep. It's called Yeye. It's a pretty thin yarn. So I'll be using one strand because we want to get some actual accurate measurement for this sole so that it can fit perfectly well. So I'll be using this single strand and I'll be using 1.5, I don't know if you can see this, 1.5 mm hook, yeah, tapestry needle, stitch markers, scissors, and of course if you need a tape to measure the sole. So let's get started to the tutorial. So we are going to make a slip knot to start our sole. So to make the slip knot, it's very easy to make. You just wrap the yarn. This is my yarn. I'm wrapping it around my finger. Make a cross, then pull out. Then the longer one, I'll put it right inside the circle I made. Then I'll make a knot. It's as simple as that. Just made the slip knot. So I'll insert my hook. Then I'm going to chain 21. I'm going to chain 21. So let me show you how to do that for beginners. You wrap around your hook like this, then you pull through. That's the first chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. That's 2, 3. So I have 3 chains already. So go ahead and make 21 chains in total. Yeah, so I have my 21 chains completed already. This is what it looks like. So right now we are going to make 2 double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. This very loop on our hook does not count as a chain. So we are going to start counting from here, right here. So this is 1, 2, 3. So this is the 4th one that I'm blocking with my thumb. So right inside that 4th one, we are going to make 2 double crochets. To make a double crochet, you yarn over. Then we go right into that chain, like that, one of the loops. You pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we are going to do one more inside the same chain. So just like that, pull through 2, then we pull through the remaining 2. So we just made 2 double crochets there. So we are going to make 16 double crochets down. So you're just going to do 1 double crochet inside every chain. That's 1, 2, third one, you like this, pull through 2, pull through the remaining 2. So go ahead and make 16 double crochets. So this is what my 16 double crochets look like right now. So what we are going to do now, we are going to yarn over inside this very last chain. We are going to make 5 double crochets inside. So that's the first one. That's 1. This is 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right now by this side we are going to make, like we did here, we made 16 double crochets here, so we are going to repeat 16 double crochets by this side also. So go ahead and make your 16 double crochets. I'll come back and show you what next to do. So yeah, I've made my own 16 double crochets down. So what we are going to do next now, this very place where we did 2 double crochet in the beginning, we are going to repeat the same thing. We are going to do 2 double crochet right inside this last stitch. So we have 1, then 2. So to finish the round, the 3 chains we skipped at the beginning, we are going to count on the, we are going to count it 1, 2, 3. So on the 3rd chain we are going to slip stitch right there. Yeah, so let's proceed to round 2. You chain 1. So as a beginner, we advise you to actually put a stitch marker right here, because we are going to be needing this chain 1 when we walk round back. So we are going to work, you can see the 2 double crochets we made in the beginning of our work. We are going to work 2 single crochets inside each of these 2 double crochet like this. This is the first one. We are not working on this where we slip stitch, no, we are starting our work here. So you are going to make 2 single crochets, 1, 2. And the next one, the same thing, 1, 2, like that. So in the next 7 stitches, we are going to make 1 single crochet each in the next 7 stitches. So I have my 7 single crochets made. So in the next 2 stitches, we are going to make 1 half double crochet each. We are trying to shape our sole. So we're going to make 1 half double crochet here. In the next stitch, we repeat the same thing, 1 half double crochet. So in the next 7 stitches, we are making 1 double crochet each. So this is the first one, 1, 2. So repeat that, so we have 7 in total. In the beginning of our work, we made 5 double crochet inside the stitch right there. Can you see it? So we are going to make double crochet increase inside each of the stitches. So we are going to make 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 double. So we are going to have 10 double crochets in total around the toe. So like this, make the first double crochet, we go into the same stitch and make another double crochet. So you repeat that 4 more times. So we are going to have 5 2 double crochets in total. So can you see that you have the first set, the second set, the third set, the fourth and the fifth. So we have 5 2 double crochets. So we are going to repeat the same thing we had here. 7 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, and 7 single crochet. So when we have that, I'll show you what next to do. So I made my 7 double crochets, 2 half double crochets, then 7 single crochets. So like we did in the beginning, we increased 2 times. So we are going to make 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 inside the same stitch, 2. We repeat that in the next one, 1, 2. So this is the previous slip stitch. We are going to work 1 single crochet here like that. So where we chained 1, where I told you to put stitch marker at the beginning, so we are going to slip stitch on that chain 1, not on our first single crochet. Inside that chain 1, that is where we are going to make our slip stitch. So just like that, we finish the second round. So for the third round, we are going to chain up 3, 1, 2, 3, which stands for a double crochet. So in the next 4 stitches, we are going to make a double crochet increase, just like this, 2 double crochets each inside the same stitch. That's 2. Another 2 here is 1 and 2. Another 1, 1 and 2. And the last one, 1 and 2. So we have 4 in total. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So right now we are going to make 16 double crochets here. After the end of our 16th double crochet, I'll show you what next to do. So I have my 16 double crochets made. So in the next 10 stitches, we are going to make double crochet increase at this toe area. We're going to make 2 double crochets inside each, 2 each, just like we did in the previous row. This is 1. So we are going to repeat that 9 more times. That will be 10 times in total. So I have my 20 double crochets made, 20 in total. So just like we did here, we are going to make 16 double crochets. 16 double crochets. So after the end of the 16th one, I'll show you what next to do. So just like what we did here, we made 2 double crochets inside one stitch. We repeated that 4 times. So we are going to do the same thing. Double crochet increase. We are going to do the same thing here in the next 4 stitches. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and here is the last one. This is 4. So inside this very last, the single crochet, 1 single crochet we made here. So we are going to make 1 double crochet there, right there. So we are going to slip stitch on top of the 3rd chain. 1, 2, 3. So right there we are going to make a slip stitch. This is what our work looks like right now. So just to finish up, we have just 1 round left. We are going to chain 1. Now we are going to work 1 single crochet round. No increase, no decrease. So we are going to start our single crochet from this stitch, not where we slip stitch on the 3 chains. No, we are going to start our single crochet on this next stitch here. So like that, 1, 2. So just go ahead and make single crochets round. We are going to have 69 single crochets in total. So don't cut your yarn, don't slip stitch. I'll show you what next to do. So this is what my work looks like. You can see our sole is finished and is ready. So 69 in total. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to cut the tail, but we are going to leave just a little tail, not too short, something around this length. So we have this. So this is where our tapestry needle comes in. So I did not chain one or anything. I'll just pull out the tail. So this is what we have. So I'm going to thread my needle. So right inside the needle, right there. So this is what we are going to do. This is the first single crochet we made right here. So through the back like this, we are going to make an invisible ending here. So we are going to go from the back like this. You can see what I did here. So we are going to bring it out. This is what we have. So we are going to go through the back loop of the last single crochet we made right there. So we just created another stitch there, and in form of a slip stitch. So like that we are having 70 stitches in total. You know, we had 69 before, so with what we just did, that makes it 70 in total. So we are going to pass our yarn tail. Just going to try and hide it somewhere around here, right here. I'm just going to make a knot. I'll make a knot here. So let me just try and hide this tail before cutting it. Yeah, so just go ahead. I'll just go ahead and cut right there. Ta-da! The sole is fully ready. Look at that. This size is for 6 to 9 months, which measures around 10.5 centimeters. Can you see that? 10.5 centimeters. I'm going to leave the measure chart in the description box. This 10.5, this is for size 6 to 9 months. But if the baby does not have a very long leg like that, can actually wear it up to 12 months. So I'll write the size chart in the description box. So I use this sew pattern for this very beautiful and lovely sandal, same as this foot candy, and this very braided sandal. So I'll be dropping this tutorial next week, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you will know when I drop my next tutorial. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.